Hello students, see now we are going to see the next comprehension from your grammar textbook. The comprehension means paragraph. I told you that you have to listen carefully, read carefully without doing any mistake, so that you can, and you have to understand it clearly. You have to understand what is given on the each line, each sentence meaning, what is the meaning of each sentence, each word. Then only you can answer the question answers given below the passage. Now I am going to read, see page number 88 from your grammar textbook. Read the following passage about the sun. The sun is a star, just one of the billions of the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. See, now means there is only one sun in how many stars? There are many stars in the sky that we all cannot count them. We cannot count them. There are much more stars and sun is only one. Then although it is very huge and can fit around, it is very huge means you all know that from here, from on the earth, from earth we can see that sun is very small, means we can't, but more than its size it is very big, which we can see is small size. More than that it is very big in the size because it is very far away from us, so we can see it small. So but actually it is very big in size. Then earth inside it, the sun is smaller than the other earths. Then see now how it fit around earth inside it. How much it is? 1 crore 40 lakhs inside earth inside it. The sun is smaller than the other stars. Do you know how the sun shines? Do you know now how the sun shines? The sun consists almost entirely of hydrogen and the helium gas. These two gases are in the sun and so it shines. At its center the temperature is very high. At the center of the sun the temperature is very high and it helps in turning hydrogen into helium. This produces a lot of energy which keeps the sun shining. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. You all know the solar system, there are different planets in that solar system. In that the sun is at the center of that solar system. And there are 8 planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system and sun is one of them and it is at the center. Almost this planet, the earth, is only planet which has water which is needed for the life to exist. You all know that water is very essential for us. So there is only the one planet, that is earth, which consists of water. Then earth distance from the sun produce exactly the right temperature range needed for the living organism to survive. Survive means to live. We need, so on the earth, the sun, it gives the right temperature, it sends the right temperature on the earth on which all the living beings survive, means on which with the help of that living beings live. Even you all know the plants, the trees also need the sunlight to grow. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. Jupiter, from the solar system, Jupiter planet is the largest planet from this all planets. That it is big enough to contain all other planets together. Then Jupiter is also known as the gas giant because of its thick gassy outer layer. Saturn is the second large planet. Which is the first planet? Now it is Jupiter is the first biggest planet in the solar system and the second one is Saturn. It has many bright rings around it. Then this planet is having many rings around it. Then Saturn has the large number of moons like Jupiter's. Then see now this is the paragraph. Now you have to read this paragraph very correctly. Now I am going to answer the question answers I am going to read. Answer the following question. Is the sun star or planet? Sun is the star. It is not a planet. The answer is star. Name the 2 gases found in the sun. Then helium and hydrogen are the 2 gases found in the sun. What lies at the center of the solar system? What lies in the sun lies in the middle, center means middle of the solar system. Which is the largest of the all planets? Now I told you that Jupiter is the largest planet of in the solar system in all the planets. Jupiter is the largest. Then fill in the blanks with the words from the passage. The sun is a dash, just one of the billions of the stars in the Milky Galaxy is the answer. Then sun is the star. The earth is the only planet which has liquid water. Then Saturn has many big rings around it. Then Jupiter is also known as the gas giant. Now see, find the words in the passage which means the same as the following words. Middle, center, same meaning you have to write here. Then correct means right. Biggest, large. Live, survive. Find, again see the D question. Find out the passage which means the opposite of the following words. First one is small, big, inner, outer, dark, giant, dull, bright. Now see the E. Rewrite the sentence by putting the articles the wherever required. Sun lies at the center of the solar system. You have to put at the starting the. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. Second one, Earth is the only planet which has water. The Earth is the planet which has water. Now these question answers I have read for you. Now I am going to send the PDF. You have to only solve the PDF in your notebook. Don't write this full passage. You don't have to write the passage. Only you have to read the passage very neatly, clearly with the correct pronunciation without doing the spelling mistakes, and solve this PDF in your notebooks.